The context-sensitive menu is the horizontal strip of buttons along the bottom of the screen. It only appears if you have made a selection in the score. The buttons change, depending on the selections made in your score. For example, after selecting just a clef, the buttons that appear are Deselect All, Delete, Paste, Paste Special, and F clef. If you then select a time signature, thus deselecting the clef, then the F clef button is replaced by two shortcut buttons, 3-4, and 2-4. After double tapping in a whole measure to select the entire measure, and depending on your screen size, the context-sensitive menu might be too long for the display. Simply scroll it left or right, by a single tap and drag. There are many possible items that may appear in this menu depending on selections made, so I won't go into them all here. But, to have a little fun, let's try just a few. I'll drag out a selection rectangle, to select all of the notes in the top staff second measure with a double tap and drag. Then, I'll select the octave plus, and minus shortcut buttons. Now I'll select the second quarter in the measure just below and try the note/rest button. After selecting the whole measure, I'll try the insert measure before. Now I'll hit the quick repeat shortcut. There are many other buttons to play with. Have fun!